Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the account that pays for Audible. Have your email and password ready, and confirm if fees are billed via Amazon or directly through Audible, because each path differs. Once signed in on a desktop browser, open account details and choose membership. Make sure to stay logged in while you follow prompts. Doing this avoids interruptions and keeps your subscription and credits visible so you can cancel the correct plan quickly and safely. Next, find the cancellation link inside membership settings. You click Manage Membership or Cancel Membership, then check how many credits you have and when your next payment hits. That determines whether to use credits first or cancel immediately. If Audible shows retention offers, weigh them. Sometimes a reduced rate or pause appears. If your plan is billed through Amazon, go to Amazon's memberships and subscriptions to cancel. Otherwise, proceed on Audible. Stay on the page until you see confirmation prompts. Finish by confirming the cancellation prompts and noting your final active date. You should get an email confirmation. Keep it. Make sure to use any remaining credits before that date, because credits often stay valid but policies vary. If the cancel button doesn't work, clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or sign out and back in. These fixes resolve most UI issues. If you still can't cancel, contact Audible support through Account Help and mention your billing method for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.